Hey you everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been ages since Number I gave us any songs, and I'm happy that he gave us this track, and it's called U.M.A. No, I'm excited, guys. Like, I know these guys will make a loud dominance within this song, and guys, trust me, I'm happy that they have now been back in the music industry, giving the fans what the fans needed. So I've been diving into what they have to give us right now. Wow, I gotta say that was terrific. That was awesome. And Number I, let's say, one of the great pop groups out there, you know, always comes with some great message, always have some great delivery, and with the movement, with the energy, I always can trust them with the energy, different style, different animations. Number I always seems to give us something way different from the average groups. All right. And when you sit and when you grasp, when you try to understand what they're giving, it says a lot, bro. It says a lot. And to see them like this, where it's been so long to came out and give us this banger, it worth the wait, guys. It worth the wait. To be honest, I was missing them so much. I was missing them, man. When I get the notification that they release a song, when I get the notification that they have give us a song, I was excited because I was curious of what they'll give us. And trust me, they gave us an awesome song. The song was dope, bro. Like, oh my god, yo, the song was dope. The energy was terrific. And they always seems to give us great delivery in their music, great style in their music. Their music is just 1 in 1 billion, bro. With all the groups out there, with all the K-pop and J-pop group out there, Number I stands out differently from the rest. They're peculiar. With the different sound, with the different voicing, with the different artists that participated in this song, they've done, they've done awesomely. Great message, inspirational message, right? So the sky's the limit. Never stay down. Always keep awake to go and chase your dreams. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, you know, hit the bell icon on to be notified of whenever time another Number I reaction up and about. I'll see you guys there.